Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Referral Driver. Today, we're diving into a topic that many Doordash drivers and users are curious about. How does Doordash handle ratings below 5 stars? Stick around as we unravel the mystery behind Doordash's rating system and discover the situations in which ratings below 5 stars are automatically removed. Doordash rating removal policies. So, let's get straight to the point. Doordash has specific criteria under which they remove ratings below 5 stars. Here's a breakdown of those situations. Long wait times at restaurants, greater than 10 minutes. If you experience a lengthy wait time at a restaurant exceeding 10 minutes, Doordash may remove any ratings below 5 stars. Missing or incorrect items in sealed bags. Doordash emphasizes not opening sealed bags received from restaurants. Many Dashers take extra precautions by purchasing stickers, sometimes from places like Amazon, to seal bags in case some restaurants do not do it themselves. This helps avoid problems with missing items and potential bad ratings. Late deliveries, greater than 15 minutes. If a delivery is expected to be more than 15 minutes late when you accept it, or if multiple Dashers before you unassign, causing a delay, Doordash may remove sub-5-star ratings. Late deliveries due to multiple batched orders, 3 or more. Late deliveries attributed to multiple batched orders, especially when there are 3 or more, fall under the criteria for rating removal. Extreme weather conditions, e.g., snowstorms. Doordash understands that extreme weather conditions can impact delivery times. In such situations, ratings below 5 stars may be removed. System-wide outages, including acceptance and completion rate. During system-wide outages, which may affect metrics like acceptance and completion rate, Doordash may automatically remove ratings below 5 stars. Automatic rating removal timeline. It's important to note that Doordash's system detects these situations, and any ratings affected are typically removed within 7 days. While this automated process expedites the resolution, we also recommend proactively reaching out to Doordash customer service if you encounter any issues. By doing so, you ensure a swift and personalized resolution, providing an extra layer of assurance beyond the automated removal system. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look into how Doordash handles ratings below 5 stars. If you find yourself in any of these situations, rest assured that Doordash has mechanisms in place to maintain fairness in the rating system. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, and happy dashing! Before we wrap up, if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, drive safe and happy delivering.